In Stambia Designer, you create a metadata, a mapping, and a process. Let's create a metadata. The metadata model provides you the list of technologies, some of which would be disabled based on the component installed in the designer. Choose your database technology from the RDBMS section and click Next to provide the project in which you want to create it. Create a new module for HSQL or select if already exists and finish. Now, complete the JDBC URL and specify user and password and test your connection. Select the schema and click Next to refresh the table list. You can also filter out tables to find some specific ones or select all and reverse the structures. Once reversed, save your metadata. Now, you can find the structure and everything that exists on technology side like primary keys, foreign keys, etc. You can query the tables and use the SQL Explorer to write different queries. Finally, the metadata properties can be accessed on the right-hand side.